Hi, welcome to I Love Netherlands. Today, we'll learn how to make simple Dutch sentences for your writing exam. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. Let's go step by step. The most basic Dutch sentence follows this formula: subject plus verb plus the rest of the sentence. That's it. Let's look at some examples. I eat bread. In Dutch, ik eet brood. You work tomorrow. In Dutch, jij werkt morgen. We read a book. In Dutch, wij lezen een boek. Here's a tip. Don't try to make long sentences. Keep it short and clear. That works best for the A2 level. Dutch sentences often follow a special order. First say when, then how, then where something happens. Let's look at an example. I work quietly at home today. In Dutch, ik werk vandaag rustig thuis. That's vandaag, time, rustig, manner, thuis, place. Now, what happens when you start your sentence with time or place? Then the word order changes. You flip it. The verb comes before the subject. For example, tomorrow I go to school. In Dutch, morgen ga ik naar school. Another example. In the shop, she buys bread. In Dutch, in de winkel koopt zij brood. It may sound strange at first, but this is very common in Dutch. Now let's connect sentences using small words like en, maar, want, omdat, and als. Here are a few examples. I'm tired and I'm going to sleep. Ik ben moe en ik ga slapen. I want pizza, but I have no money. Ik wil pizza, maar ik heb geen geld. I stay home because I'm sick. Ik blijf thuis, want ik ben ziek. Another version of because is omdat. But be careful, with omdat, the verb goes to the end. Example: ik blijf thuis omdat ik ziek ben. And if you use als, meaning if, the verb also goes to the end. Example: als het regent, blijf ik thuis. If it rains, I stay home. So, remember, after omdat or als, put the verb at the end. Let's now talk about modal verbs, like want, can, or must. In Dutch, when you use verbs like willen, moeten, or kunnen, you put the second verb at the end of the sentence. For example, I want to eat pizza. Ik wil pizza eten. He must work. Hij moet werken. We can come tomorrow. Wij kunnen morgen komen. Let's look at real examples like you'd see on the writing exam. I want to make an appointment at the doctor. Ik wil graag een afspraak maken bij de dokter. I'm on vacation from July 1st to 5th. Ik ben op vakantie van 1 tot 5 juli. Can you call me on 06 1234 5678? I'm sick and can't work. Ik ben ziek en kan niet werken. Now it's your turn to practice. Say the sentence in English, then translate it into Dutch. Then read it out loud. Keep it simple and speak clearly. Before we finish, here are some final tips. Always start with the subject and verb. Use short, clear sentences. After omdat or als, put the verb at the end. Use simple words like en, maar, and want to link ideas. And keep practicing. Type in Dutch using apps or websites. That's it for today. Now you know how to build Dutch sentences easily, even as a beginner. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.